Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics.
Photoshop Elements 15 was just released, and one of the brand new features that was included in Photoshop Elements 15 is the ability to make drag and drop style templates. So I wanted to demonstrate how you use them real quick. They have to be created in a specific way so that you can drag and drop your photos onto them. If you open up a template that has been created this way, you may actually see text boxes on top of each photo spot that says, click here to add your photo or drag your photo here. If you see that, you can click on that and then select a paper, photo, or journal card, and Photoshop Elements will automatically place it in your document. When you place it, you'll see this little slider pop up, and that is how you can resize your image here. And you'll see I can take it down small. I want to make sure it covers the entire box. I can also click inside it and drag it around to position it. And then once I'm happy with it, I can press the check mark. Now, if you place it and this box comes up and you don't want to move it, you can still just double click on it to apply it. In addition, you can go to your photo bin and you can just drag and drop your images right from your photo bin. So you just drag it on top of one of the spots and make your adjustments, click OK. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these papers here in the template. So just like that, I have clipped and filled my photos into these photo spots. Now I wanted to point out that in my templates, the way I have set them up, I actually disabled those text boxes that say, fill your text in here. So you won't see them in my templates that are fillable, but if you get templates from other people, they may or may not disable that text box. And the reason I did it is because once you drag and drop your photo onto it, it disappears anyway. You'll see over here in the layers panel that Elements actually removes that layer. So in addition, I've gone ahead and set up the text box layers that you can turn on and off up here. So if you are doing a pocket page layout and you want, say, this bottom box here to be your journaling, then you can just turn on that particular one and edit your journaling there. If you have created your pocket page by dragging and dropping your items onto the page and then you want to edit the photo, you can do that the same way you would edit any regular photo. So just go to the layers panel and select it. You can press Command T and then you can still resize and move and manipulate it later. And if you're not happy with it, you can delete it. Once you delete it, you can go ahead and drag and drop your image on top of the photo spot and it will still update in that spot. Now the key to keeping all this working is to not rename these layers. If you start renaming these layers, you may lose the ability to drag and drop things into them. So make sure you don't rename the layers that are in these drag and drop portions of the template. So these are the drag and drop templates now available in Photoshop Elements 15. Photoshop Elements may refer to this feature as custom frames. It's part of the custom frames feature. And it's an exciting new way for designers to be able to provide really awesome and quick templates to use so that you can be even more efficient in your scrapping. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to exploring Photoshop Elements more with you in the future. Thanks for watching.